Here is a level 1 tub repair kit from tubrepaircode.com. Here we are working on damage to the corner of a fiberglass shower. We take 80 grit sandpaper and scuff around the edges. Now we are mixing our finish filler with our hardener. You will have about 30 seconds to work with this once it's mixed. Now you spread the putty on about 1/8 inch thick. Clean your equipment. Now you have your 4 resins: white, gold, gray, almond. Mix your resins for at least 1 ounce. Stir well. Apply 1 drop to the surface, blow dry, and keep mixing until the colors match. Mix 4 parts resin, 1 part catalyst, 2 parts reducer. Stir well. Start with the 80 grit sandpaper and feather out the edges. Finish with the 120 grit sandpaper. Now wipe on the primer. Now fog on your coating. Keep it about 12 inches to 18 inches away from the surface. Dry it for about 30 to 45 seconds in between coats. Apply 4 to 5 coats, then clean around the edges. And that's a level 1 repair kit from tubrepaircode.com. Like, share, and subscribe, tubrepaircode.com.